let's do a really easy no-sew project with one of the panels from the December monthly placemat panels and some scraps of fabric that coordinate with that and some inexpensive canvases. This is a great project to do with kids, to do with people who don't sew, and just to make something cute and easy for home decor. We're going to use Mod Podge, a little bit of parchment paper to protect my table, and these canvases. And what we're going to do is we're going to wrap the two little ones in the snowflake fabric. I've already done that one to make sure I know what I'm doing. I'll show you how to do this one. And then this one we're going to put onto this canvas, which is a 9x12. And you'll see when we wrap it, it fits the text and it fits the snowman really cute. And I'm going to put it in my kitchen. I could make either a hot cocoa station. I'm just going to put it by the coffee maker and the electric kettle, kind of where we make all the hot drinks and keep cozy at home. So I'm going to show you how easy this is to do. First, we're going to tape this parchment paper down to keep the glue off of my table. Also going to use a 1-inch foam paintbrush. Those are really inexpensive. Could use a bigger one on this, but I don't have a bigger one. So I'm going to use what I have. I have a lot of Mod Podge though. So this is really, really simple. Like I said, great project to do with kids. I'm just going to paint around the edges generously, the glue. And then I'm just going to coat the top with more of the Mod Podge. Now I'm going to take the fabric and I'm just going to center that over the canvas so that the words are going to stay on the top. And when I have it where I want it, I'm just going to press down so that the glue soaks into the fabric a little bit. I'm going to do the same thing on the sides. You do want to make sure you don't have a bunch of glue down here when you turn this upside down. So then I pressed up on the one side, and now this is just going to be like, kind of like gift wrapping. So you're going to push this down on the two edges. You can trim this a little bit if you want to, but it's going to be on the back, so I don't really think it matters very much. Now I'm going to add glue a little more on top of the fabric, and then also just a little bit more on this edge. And then I'm just going to fold it like I'm wrapping a present. Just adding glue to get everything to stick where I want it. Now I'm going to put the glue along the edge of this fabric. It's going to stop it from fraying more, but again, it's not going to have any wear and tear, and it's going to be on the back. I'm just going to fold it up, press down. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. That's how easy it is. Now we have a cute little keeping cozy at home art panel out of this fabric that will go along with this. That aside, I'm going to do the same thing with this little one. And before I do, I'll just show you. I just took extra fabric, and it's about 1.5 inches over each edge. And the amount of fabric you need on the sides just depends on the width of your canvas. Some are wider, so you're going to need a little bit more, but this is perfect for this canvas. Then you're going to center your fabric and kind of have the snowflakes where you want them. Press down so that that glue gets into the fabric. There we go. Now all they have to do is dry, and I need to wash my hands. These little ones would also be really cute on tiered trays. Maybe put this one behind, or if you have a really big tiered tray, put something big on there. And then if you want to, you can put the Mod Podge over the top as well, but I just didn't want any kind of a coating over the top of the fabric, so I am just going to leave these as is.